Trishika. I'm a crew by profession. Today we will be trying some beauty hacks that I've found on internet, and we're going to find out whether it's a yay or a nay. We will skip to the video. Let's go. I'll be watching these hacks on my iPad and I'll be testing right in front of you, और हम पता करेंगे कि ये hacks काम भी करते हैं या नहीं. So I hope ये काम करे. I have found like 5-6 hacks. अगर ये hack काम करे तो will be a life savior for all the girlies out there. The first hack we'll be trying is for the white kajal that we put on the waterline, basically that gives you an enhanced look. But कभी-कभी लगाते वक्त मतलब वो इतना pigment देता नहीं है. So there's a hack for it. I'm going to show you right here. You can see this one.
पिगमेंट को इस तरीके से मेकअप ब्रश के बैक साइड पे लेना है और फिर डायरेक्टली इसको अपनी आईज पे लगाना है. एंड बिलीव मी गाइस, दिस इज अ गेम चेंजर. आपको कभी ये प्रॉब्लम दोबारा नहीं होगी. सेव दिस रील एंड
So I have a makeup brush and a white waterline kajal. I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to put it under my. I'm going to put it on my waterline now. There's nothing that's coming off. Oh my god, there's nothing coming off. This is just. I got tricked again. Oh god. Thoda aaya. But again, that's on my lashes, not on the waterline. So this is a fail for me. Let's see another one. Now the next one that I have here is.
हमने वही लगाया दिल जहाँ दिल लगाना मना था. आखिर वही किए सजदे जहाँ सर झुकाना मना था. यूं जिंदगी बिता दी जहाँ फेक पल बिताना मना था. यूं उस गली में रहते थे हम जहाँ रोज जाना मना था.
Black would look really off is what I think. So we're gonna try it with the brown lip liner. I'm not gonna try liquid lipstick. I'm gonna try with my own lipstick that I have. So हम लोग अपना तड़का, we're gonna put it in this hack and we're gonna try it. So I have to make the face like a fish. करने के बाद मैं थोड़ा अपना टच देने के लिए I'm gonna add some lip gloss to it. So well, I look like a baddie now. For some reason it has just made me look like some vamp or something. I am not fan of such dark lipsticks, so it's again a nay for me. I got tricked again. Oh god. Let's just keep going. Let's just not lose the hope right here. Lip combo was clearly too much for me. Now up next we have. We can do that. So I have lashes with me. I'm not going to use very expensive lashes. These are not much expensive. So these are the lashes that I'm going to use. It's just so huge. The hack, we should. I mean, mascara is good enough for me. I love putting mascara on. But why not? If it's a hack, I mean, why not? I don't have any other scissors right now. So this is the one, the big one. I sew, so I have the big scissors that I'm going to use. I'm going to cut some of these lashes from here. Cut the lashes, see? Oh. Now I'm going to place some glue on it. Okay, I think it's good enough. So I'm not such trained कि मैं ऐसे आँख के अंदर रख के इसको ऐसे चिपकाऊँ और लग जाए. ये अगर मैं कर सकती होती तो would have been a different thing altogether. So I'm gonna put it the other way, like this. I have my lashes on. Please do take smaller lashes. This looks like a forest of hair on my eyelid. So you need to take like a smaller lashes, but it is definitely working. I mean, it's not getting inside my eye, it's not poking, and it has fixed like anything. Can you see? Oh my god, it's so huge. I mean, it looks like I put something. I mean, of course, this is for the makeup. Once you've done the makeup, it's just giving that eye-opening look to my eye. But yes, it's definitely working. So up next we have a hack wherein we're going to make a shimmer for the body. Let's see. So she is going to
Just trust me, you'll be fine. And when I'm back in Chicago,
I have baby oil with. This is the baby oil that I'm going to use. I do have it with me, and I do have loose shimmer with me, which is gold shimmer. Oh god, it's just falling. So we're gonna put this. I'm going to mix it and probably keep it in this small container that I have. This shimmer, I'm gonna put it. I've poured some shimmer onto it. I think that's enough. You all see this? I'm gonna put it on my hand. It's gold. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm gonna just rub it in and let's see. Oh my god, you all, it's just giving so nice shine. If you can see it on the camera, you can definitely use it on the body. Up next, the last one that we have here is about this.
okay.
The inner corner of the eye. Eyeshadow, which was a glitter one, and then she used the glittered eyeshadow as the glitter pencil that we put inside. So I have this eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this shade, and I'm going to put it right inside. So I'm not going to use a brush, I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to put it right here. It's looking so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's looking so pretty. Can you all see? It just gave that enhanced look to my eye. I feel like putting more and more. मुझे मन कर रहा है कि बहुत सारा लगा लूं. Just giving. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Radhe Radhe.